Dear students, welcome to Sia's digital classes. Today's concept is combined mean and weighted arithmetic mean. So simple formula you'll be having, simple problem you'll get for short type. So for sure you need to learn because it's a compulsory question. So let us check it out how the combined mean goes. So we know about the mean, we discussed already what is mean. Mean is nothing but the average value. Now how the combined mean goes on, let us check it out. So combined mean is nothing but mean of two or more groups is known as combined mean. Nothing but 2, 3 means they'll be giving for us. So for using that 2, 3 mean values, we'll combine the entire mean and we'll get a regular mean for that. So how will go on? Let us check it out through a formula. X12 bar. We know mean formula, mean notation is x bar, right? So for combined mean, X12 bar they have given. Check it out. Two different means. First one for one mean, second one for one more mean. So two different types of mean or 2, 3 means they'll be giving and number of observations they'll be giving. All together we'll frame combined mean. Like you'll get marks, right? You'll get different subjects marks. You'll get all together. We'll get an average. That is mean. Now what here we'll do is for different subjects we'll take separate average. Separately we'll take the mean and that particular means we'll consider and overall mean we'll be finding it out. That's what we call as combined mean. We'll combine all of them and we'll get a mean. So we'll call it as combined mean. Now check it out. Formula x12 bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar by n1 plus n2. x1 bar they'll specify, x2 bar they'll specify, and n1 n2 they'll specify. We have to substitute in the formula and you have to get the answers over there. Now let us check it out how the problem goes on for this combined mean. Yes, check it out example problem here. The average wage of 200 male and 100 female workers are rupees 300 and rupees 250 respectively. Calculate combined mean of the workers. So combined mean they are asking. We have average values already. Check it out. Average is the clue. Average is nothing but a mean value. They'll not specify directly that it is mean like that. So wherever the average word you get, you have to understand that is mean. So mean indirectly it's an average, right? So they'll specify whenever questions they'll give question pattern. At that point of time they'll give as average. They'll never mention mean. Mean is a statistical word, right? So it's an example of real life example like average wage of 200 male means average monthly salary, something like that. Wage means some salary, income. So average wage of 200 male, 200 male people they have taken and their average wages they have given, that is 300. So and 100 female workers are 250. So male workers wages they have given, female workers wages they have given. So male and female, whenever some students, some people they'll give, that becomes a capital N always. Leftover becomes the average. If you don't follow directly using the question, clue is that whatever the people will be there, that becomes your capital N. So 200 male people you have, so people are specified, so that becomes your capital N. 200 becomes your capital N1 and 100 becomes your N2. Then the mean what you have, x1 bar becomes your 300, x2 bar becomes your 250. So now simply take the formula and substitute in that, get the answers. So n1 200 into x1 bar 300, 200 into 300 plus 100 into 250 by 200 plus 100 you do, you'll get the answer. Combined mean value as x12 bar is equal to 283.33. So this is how we'll find out the combined mean. In this way it goes on also, like three different type of data also they may give, like what they have given here, average wage of 200 male and 100 females they have given. No, so in that way average marks of students like that, like 100 marks in one subject, 200 marks in one more subject, 300 marks in one more subject, like that 3-4 values also they can specify. Then how the formula will be, now only for two combined mean what they have given, n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar, right? If third data is also included, so at that point of time n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar by n1 plus n2 plus n3. So in that way you have to do. It goes on. How many data they have given, how many averages they have given, that many you can go on adding and dividing. So that is how combined mean has been done. So next let us go for weighted arithmetic mean. So here it is weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean also mean itself one of the kind of mean. So where weightage they'll be giving. So weightage will call no subject weightage. It has got lot of weightage. It doesn't have weightage like that. Will call for subject, isn't it? Means how much important is the subject. Like if you take our BCom papers, you have optional papers and languages, right? So languages doesn't have that much weightage compared to the options, and on options also one subject will have lot of credits, the other subject will have less than the first one, like that. Check it out your BCom subjects. Whenever you will check it out your OU site and all, they'll give credits in your memo. They'll give credits means how much weightage you got. So here also in real life, whenever we want to do the mean, exactly some individual data, then doing mean for that, every time it will not go on like that. So sometimes what happens that whenever we'll have averages, some average is very important, some is less important, like that also will be there. Like if you go for daily whatever the items you require for daily life, if you go for that, like will be like South Indians will eat rice a lot, right? So daily we require rice in our regular thing. So definitely weightage for that rice is more. Then you go for chocolates and all, daily do we have chocolates? No. But chocolates also included over there. So, but chocolates doesn't have that much weightage as if rice. So such a type of data, whenever we have in giving importance to particular data has less importance, such type of data if you have, then we'll go for weighted arithmetic mean. Mean itself we do, but based on the data, we'll give the weightage to that. Now let us check it out formula for that. So x bar is a regular notation. For that w they have included so that we can know that it is a weighted arithmetic mean. So x w bar is equal to summation wx by summation w becomes your the formula for the weighted arithmetic mean. Now let us check it out an example for that. This is for ungrouped individual series. So let us check it out an example for that particular data. So here one more formula you have for grouped data also they specified for discrete and continuous series whenever we have. So x w bar again same notation, that becomes summation w into f into x. We know in discrete data fx both they will specify, isn't it? So fx will multiply and will then multiply to w. So summation if you do, that is your summation wfx by summation w. So that's how it goes for discrete and continuous data. For both the cases the same formula you have. Now let us check it out an example. Through example it will be clear how the weighted arithmetic mean has done. So here it is an example of weighted arithmetic mean. Check it out. I said some particular weights they'll be giving weightage, they'll be giving for the particular products. So let us check it out. So example here you have a group, they have given food, clothing, fuel and lighting, house rent, miscellaneous. So I said in regular life we'll be giving weightage to the particular products. So same example here we got, check it out. So some group of things whatever we require that they have given, then the index numbers they have given for that. So 125, 133, 141, 173, 182, like that some values they have given. Then the weights, how much they are important. So weightage also they have specified here for us. So index number, let us consider it as some x and weights as w. So first second row consider as x and then the weights as w. Now let us multiply, because formula what we have, summation wx we have. So simply multiply x values with the w values. So 125 into 7 you'll get as 875. 125 into 7, that becomes your 875. In that way each and every value of x multiply with your weights, you'll get the particular wx values. So add up entire column and you'll get a summation wx. So that is 2008 to 23 you'll get. So that one you just carry on with your formula. In substituting the formula as xw bar is equal to 2823 divided by overall summation w. You have to take weights, we are giving importance to weightage, right? So divided by w you have to do. Till now we will be dividing with the capital N, frequencies, total of frequencies or number of observations. That's how we'll do for mean. But particularly for weighted arithmetic mean, we'll consider weights, how much those are important. So do the summation of weights and that you have to divide. Every time in exam, we'll in a habit we'll go for index numbers, x will add up and we'll divide with that. So don't do that. Weighted averages we are doing. So weightage, whatever the weightage values you have, that has got importance. So that should be divided here. So summation wx divided by summation w you have to do. Then you'll get the correct answer. So that's how you'll get the weighted arithmetic mean. So this is how we'll calculate weighted arithmetic mean for the individual series. Okay. Thank you.